mountain lions.
Peaceful reading time.
Good evening, Golden Gate Bridge. Sleep well, sea lions, resting on the shore of the Pacific Ocean. Turn the page. Glitter bright city lights. Have a nice night. He loves reading. Good night, herd of handsome buffalo out on the great prairie. Sleep tight, cows and horses, cowgirls and cowboys. You see the buffalo?
He just wants to dig into that book. Get right into that reading.
He says this one tastes delicious.
It tastes like paper.
Sorry.
It'd be his first meal.
Live free, brave bald eagle family. Stay warm together in your nest tonight. You see the eagles? You like those eagles, huh?
How does it taste like?
Eagle page is the most delicious. 11 endangered species.
Oh. I can't wait to see what you do in high school.
Preston ate my homework again.
Yeah. Preston ate my homework.
Reach for your dreams, astronauts exploring outer space. Good night, America. Thank you for sharing a wonderful day.
The end. So.
Good night, America by Preston Borgart.